Imagine having an income that doesn't cost you your family time. No missing milestones, just peace, freedom, and time that actually feels like yours. I used to think the only way for me as a stay-at-home mommy sitting with an overworked husband, helping him financially, was to give up my stay-at-home mommy lifestyle. I watched that man coming home exhausted. And I feel guilty for wanting more in life, more income, more freedom, until I found a way to start earning online. Finally, something that makes sense for me, for someone like me, a stay-at-home mommy with zero experience, qualifications, or marketing background. I learned how to build a digital business that pays me in dollars. I learned how to attract daily paying customers to me by just using my phone, working 2 hours a day. It didn't just change our finance, but it also changed how I feel every day. Less stress, more peace. If you are praying for something that lets you breathe again, my friend, this is it. So if you want to know more about the system that I follow, how I went from stress out to start earning online, put it with me in my comments and I will love to share all the details with you.